Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. Wanted to do a video real quick. Um, I got a laminator. I bought a 51-inch laminator, one of these vevor brands. You guys have seen these on Amazon or on their website. And it was only about $228 shipped. And I got it the next day because it shipped from a local city here, which is kind of cool. So it literally came like really fast. So I got it, and it's 51 inch. So this is a 4x8 table, and I need, I just haven't had need for it much in the past, but I want to do some large prints where I'm going to need, you know, plenty of space to lamb here. So what I'm going to do is build rails. My son and I are going to build rails along the let's call it y-axis of the table, because we're going to DIY this over the table so we can just use it as an applicator roll table. So we're only going to use the top roll on this, and it's going to roll back and forth on this 4x8 table. So it'll sit off of, it'll sit off here when we're not using it. So, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. It's been a while. I've had a small one that I've used for some of my stuff in the past, but I haven't had a real big need for it. And if I needed one thing too, I would just, go at work and use the laminator there just to do something for like my car. I printed the decals at home for my car, and then I brought everything to work, lammed it, brought it home, and then I cut it at home. And it was fine, so, but now I want my own, so I don't have to do that. And you can see this sucker's long. It's 51 inches. This is a 4x8 table. So this is the newest addition to my shop that you guys have known for so long now. Still run my HP Latex, still run my BN20, love it. I'm thinking about selling it so I can get the new BN20, the BN22A, the BN220, whatever it is. I thought about it, but that thing runs so great. It's just been bulletproof since I've had it now, going on 2 years now. So, and I got it used, so it's been great. So, anyways, what I like about this laminator table, or this roll, is you have the roll on the bottom, and you got a flat plan here, so you could tighten. You can go. I don't know what the actual thickness restrictions are on this, but it's probably going to say right here. Okay, so working with 650, working thickness, or sorry, the width is 650 millimeter, and the thickness is 35. So, what does that equate to? An inch? I mean, that's, so six millimeters, a quarter inch. I mean, that's gonna be, I can't imagine. Let me see what model this is. Let me pause. All right, so I had to go open up the order, make sure I got the right measurements here. Pull out my tape measure. So what this one is, this is the 1300, the LBS 1300. It's 1300 millimeter wide. So that's just over 51 inches, and 17 millimeter working thickness. So that's just over 5/8. So a ½ inch thickness, which is cool, because if you get like ½ inch boards, which you do a lot of like ultra boards, stuff like that, you could run them right through this thing. Simple. Yeah, it's really cool to do. I mean, that's pretty versatile. See, the bigger you go, the bigger you go, the less thickness, working thickness goes down. So it goes from 35, 25 to 17. So this is the biggest one. It's the 51, and you got on the sides here, you got your little adjustments for your tension, your pressure, and came in really good condition. These fold up when you're not using it, so you can just go like that. On both sides they fold up, and then came with a wheel. So real simple. I mean, if you guys have ever used laminators before, I mean, you need a laminator when you're doing stuff, for sure. I don't laminate a lot of my decals off my HP Latex because that ink is, man, it holds up really well. But you want to lam a lot of stuff off the BN20 if there's anything that's going to be on a car or anything like that outside. You want to have lam on there. So, but I'm pretty excited. So this is a 51 inch. We're going to build a rail system. My son and I is going to install it on the side of the tables, on the side, I mean, each side of the table, and it's going to mount. So we're just going to use one wheel and the ends, and it's just going to roll back and forth, just like the one you guys see at work, applicator tables. So pretty cool. So I just wanted to do a video and say hello to everybody. Hope everybody's well. I'm doing well. Let me see if I can, there I am. I'm here, guys. I'm still here. So, again, just wanted to say hello, stop in, show my new equipment. And, also, I'm 100% payment free on anything in my basement. Everything's paid for itself. Most of it has been a while, but I have absolutely no overage, no overhead on any of my equipment except my house, my electrical, and stuff like that, and my media. I buy my media, but that's about it. You got to buy that. So, but anyways, I just wanted to drop in, guys. That's it. So like, subscribe, hit that notification, and when I get this up and running, I'll probably just test it out like this first, but I'm going to end up building that rail system on the side soon, but that's going to take a while. In the meantime, I'm going to use it. So, but all right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. We'll see you in the next one.